Hi, I'm Guy, and there's big news. There's a new version of Audacity. The release video is a link, and if you go to the Guy R. Cook Report.podbean.com, I've got the link in there for you, because like I always say, I got them so you can get them. Audacity 3.4 and the first release focused on the needs of musicians. It's got things in there like tempo, time signature settings, beat snapping, and a new musical grid and time stretching. Check out that video if you're a musician. It'll make more sense to you than it does to me. I'm not a musician. I just have this little old podcast, the Guy R. Cook Report, over and out. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.